Okay, so I saw the same plane, and it's been like that all day. I think it's the. Hang on, I wonder if it's moving to. I think it's moving this way. Oh, it's coming up there. Oh wow. The airplane is flying. Like a little bit high, but even though I like those sort of planes. I like it when it's like flying that low. It's actually kind of so that way I could just record it more. It's better than the ones that fly extremely higher, because the one that's extremely higher is kind of like it's really hard to record. But the one that's flying really low is really easy. So yeah, and even though yeah, those are even though yeah I like yeah I think you guys already know that I like planes and all of that, like, and helicopters and that. Oh yeah, that'll be really cool if a helicopter and a plane will go like together. That'll be really loud. I just like the sounds of planes too, which is kind of crazy. And I just left the door open. Yeah. And either though, hopefully anyone can like and subscribe, etc. And it's Aussie over and out.